Welcome to the whimsical kingdom of Dino Land, where colorful dinosaurs roam freely in lush, vibrant landscapes. These adorable creatures thrive in an environment bursting with life, joy, and creativity. One delightful tip for enhancing their well-being is to create vibrant gardens filled with a variety of plants that cater to their playful nature and nutritional needs. Imagine a garden where towering ferns provide shade and soft, mossy patches invite them to frolic. Incorporate flowering plants that attract butterflies, stimulating their curiosity and encouraging social interactions. You can plant a medley of colorful fruits and vegetables, such as sweet berries, crunchy carrots, and juicy melons, turning mealtime into a fun scavenger hunt. Create designated play areas with engaging obstacles like small hills and shallow ponds where they can splash and explore. Encourage the dinosaurs to participate in garden care by involving them in planting seeds and watering their favorite spots. This not only nurtures their environment but also strengthens their bonds. With love and imagination, you'll transform your kingdom into a paradise of exploration and nourishment. Subscribe, like, and share to spread the joy of Dino Land gardening adventures.